Capstone 2. The way that we have been going about our lives with these new technology and advances in transportation and productions of products, although these advances make our lives easier, it is slowly eating away at the earth that we call home. These machines and waste of these products are releasing gases into the air and product waste to be buried away in the ground or to be washed out into the waters that not only we use, but also sustain a whole slew of life. These waste products are now impacting those. As the temperatures rise due to the pollution in the area and all around, it is affecting a lot of areas around the world. One area that I looked into a bit more was Wainwright, Alaska, as pictured. Located in the northern part of Alaska, right on the coast of the Chukchi Sea, it is a remote piece of land bordered on one side by the sea and on the other sides by a lagoon and a river. With these temperatures rising, researchers have observed that surface temperatures in the Arctic have increased by 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit over the last 30 years. This is impacting Wainwright in many different ways, such as the Arctic ice is melting due to higher temperatures and causing flooding. And the higher temperatures are not normal for wildlife in these areas as well, resulting in resources dwindling, as well as the humans not being able to preserve their food with the ice that they were using prior. And also, with the ice melting during the winter months, it is causing the natural transportation method for both humans and animals to other parts of Alaska non-existent, as the ice does not set enough for them to be walked on. Also, with transportation and drastic weather changes causes bad weather to impact flights as well as other transportation in and out of the area. If these changes continue to persist, it is believed that the rising water levels will continue to erode the coastal line, therefore impacting the amount of land people are using. Also, with the drastic weather changes, it is predicted that more natural disasters can happen in these areas as well. And with sanitation issues, it is believed to begin impacting human and animal health as well. But as this threat has been more and more known, there are some moves that have been made to try and adapt to help the situation. For instance, with sanitation issues, there has been new designs and maintenance strategies put into place to help these issues. With the warming of waters, this prolongs the hunting or fishing season, so there is some adaptation to the melting of the ice. But overall, if things do not change in our transportation and production industry, these areas will continue to shrink and be affected. Resources for this page were obtained through the Climate Science Special Report, Arctic Changes and Their Effects on Alaska and the Rest of the United States, from science2017.globalchange.gov, as well as Climate Change in Wainwright, Alaska, which is from anthc.org.